So usually when it comes to terrariums or paludariums, we see plants and mosses that are planted or attached to the hardscape. What about those hanging or drooping plants from above? Today we'll be introducing four plants that we often use in our paludariums that you can hang from above to give a more jungle feel. Ecopodium plagmaria, Ecopodium Tetrasticta, and Ecopodium Malaria Foliage belongs to a genus of club mosses that has many synonyms. They thrive in humid environments we normally get in terrariums or paludariums. Some of them can get pretty large and some of them can get really long. So we'll be introducing three today that are suitable for our home terrariums or paludariums. Trimming will be necessary and they can be propagated from cuttings or rhizome division. Although they do not like their roots being disturbed, they are able to be propagated this way. Ecopodium plagmaria looks like a large pipe cleaner. They can look rather rough, but they tend to be bushy. Ecopodium tetrasticta grows straight down. They have less volume but are a lot neater than plagmaria. Ecopodium Malaria Foliage have a very unique appearance. They look like snake scales, but they tend to grow very long and are not very bushy. We don't normally use this very much in volume, but their appearance are pretty striking. The next hanging plant is the Spanish moss. It comes from the genus Tillandsia. Despite its name, it's not actually a moss, but it's a bromeliad. Spanish moss is an air plant, meaning it collects moisture from the air. It's great in a humid environment for our terrariums, but they do not tolerate being submerged in water. Propagation is easy. Simply cut a long enough portion and place it hanging.